and JB Sahagol, the expert witness in this case, who compared question and standard document. And I compare these two using juxtaposition. As I am comparing, I spot similarities in using exclamation point. And the letters YGP written in the disputed document has the same characteristics on the standard document. And also the spacing of every word is also the same. But there is a difference too, like the formation of letter S. And I think writing is similar because it's written when the victim is dressed. After the comparison that I make, my findings is the disputed document and the standard came from the victim's diary is written by the same person. You can use my findings as a basis on this crime. Thank you.